again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. I hope everybody's doing fine and well and having a great day. Welcome if you are new. Melodysusie sent me this gift right at the beginning of December and I've just not had chance to go through it. So I thought I'll go through it with you guys, see what's in it. So firstly, there's just a little envelope and it's just a kind of thank you for working with them over the past year kind of thing. That's what that was. So first in the box, they've sent me a little pot of sanding bands. Now these are the mini ones. It's got a little mini mandrel bit in there. And how cute is this? It's got the little Melodysusie branding. I love that. Teeny tiny little skinny one. And then there's a little pot of the little teeny tiny skinny sanding bands. What I love about these, they're really, really tight to get in the little tight gaps. Brilliant for getting around your cuticles. And when you need to etch inside nails that are small like your pinky, they're just nice and slim to get in there, aren't they? So I was really happy with those. Right, and next they've sent over a nail art brush set and a nail liner brush set. So I'm just going to quickly show you the nail art brushes first. These are beautiful. They're like a shimmery metallic ombre. So 3 of them double up as dotting tools on one end. And we've got a little fan brush, a little square brush. These feel nice as well. Really nice quality. That angled brush would be fantastic as a clean-up brush. I like that. And then we've got quite a long oval brush. That's what I like to use for my hard gels. So I can't wait to try that. And then this is like a 3D sculpting kind of brush. And 2 little detail liner brushes. A teeny tiny one. And then that one's about a 7mm, isn't it? So that was the nail art brushes. Guys, I will leave links. And I've got a discount code for Melodysusie as well. Everything I show you today I will leave in my description box. Right, so I'm going to go on to the liner set now. So these start at 5mm and they go all the way up to, I think it was 20mm. So that on the left is your 5mm and 7mm. Then we've got 9mm and 11mm. They are the brushes I tend to reach for the most, 9mm and 11mm. Roughly that size because they're so versatile. And then that is the 20mm, so that's a really nice long liner brush, nice and thin as well. It's a good one. Right, so lastly in the box is gels, and when I say some gels, I mean a lot of gels. So these are look at all them. These are brand new to Melodysusie's website. I think they launched them in December, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to quickly go through them and show you the colours. I won't swatch them all on camera. So they're 15ml bottles. This first one is a base coat. I have never seen bottles like this. They almost look like they're made out of like metal steel, don't they? They are beautiful, beautiful bottles. I really like them. So quickly, the colours we've got, I think that's called Snow White, number 479. These gel polishes are super opaque. I did 1 coat with all of them today. They're quite a thick gel, but my gosh, they are opaque. I really liked this white as well. You do get different shades of white. This is the kind of cool white that just makes it ultra, ultra bright white. I put far too much on. You really only need 1 thin coat with this white, and it just completely covered that swatch stick really easily. So I'm really impressed with that white. That's going to be fantastic to use to do nail art as well. So like I said, I'm not going to swatch all of them on camera. This is called Dancing in My Room, number 141. I had to swatch a pink on camera, didn't I? So again, look at this. Just one really thin coat. And you've got completely full coverage. And every single one of these gels was the same. Just really, really pigmented, you know. Look at that, beautiful colour. So quickly, this one, number 253, is called Tranquil Sea, and it's just a really nice baby blue. And again, look how creamy these are. Really, really nice gels. I definitely recommend them anyway. So I'm going to stick that in the lamp quickly for 30 seconds. I am going to swatch the rest of them off camera, guys, but I will show you the colours, but there is quite a few. So obviously that's the white that I've already showed you. Beautiful, beautiful, bright, bright white. Right, so then we've got Cinnamon Cloud number 093. Very, very nice nude pink. I like that. Then we've got Cream Pink, which is number 518. That's just a nice baby pink. And then 141 Dancing in My Room. Again, that's one that I just swatched. Then this is 463 and it's called Magic Night. Beautiful bright purple. That was Tranquil Sea. I don't know why I've showed you these again that I swatched on camera. No idea. Right, then we've got Persian Blue number 359. Nice bright royal blue. Beautiful colour. Then we've got Cherry Boom, which is 072. Bright, bright red. Then this is Juicy Orange 041. Then we've got a nice pastel yellow. This is called Warm Light and it's number 310. This is a bit of a pastel as well. This is called Spring Goddess and it's number 326. Then we've got a darker green. This is called Lush Moss and it's number 328, I think it was. I missed it. Nice dark green. This is a colour I can see me using a lot. This is called Tiramisu, number 431. Beautiful nude colour. And lastly, we've got a few shimmery ones. This is called Champagne and it's number Z159. And this one's called Valentine's Evening and it is Z251. Beautiful sparkly red. You couldn't see the holographic very well. I didn't top coat these guys because there was far too many. But I just flipped the swatch stick over and you can just catch little glimpses of the rainbow holo in there, can't you? Really nice gel polish. Right, last but no means least, we've got Perfect Diamond and this is Z068 and this is just your kind of classic shimmery silver holographic stunning colour. Right, so I'm going to try and fit all of these on camera just to show you. I'm not sure how many they've brought out to start with. I think it might be 20, but don't quote me. So out of all of them, I think these first 6 on the left, these pinks and light blue, I think they were my favourite colours, especially as we're going to be going into spring very, very soon. Yeah, I was really happy with the little pastels and the lighter colours in there and the pinks obvs. So anyway guys, that is it for today. Just a quick one. I really wanted to show you these gel polishes because they've really impressed me. And yeah, I would definitely recommend trying them. I will leave links below for the little sanding band set and both of the brushes. And the link to the gel polishes, of course, will be down there. Make sure you take advantage of any discount codes. And make sure you tune in for tomorrow's video, guys, where I've done something with these gels and you don't want to miss it. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up, guys. Subscribe if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.